bid to grow when I was drowned. St. Patrick's Day no more will keep his colours can't be seen, for I hanged men and women for the wearing of the green. I met with Nefertari and he took me by the hand. He said, "Oh, dear old Ireland, and how does she stand? She's the most distressful country that you can ever see, for I hanged men and women for the wearing of the green, for the wearing of the green, for the wearing of the green. They're hanging men and women for the wearing of the green. And if the colour we must wear is England's cruel red, sure Ireland's sons will never forget the bloody day of shed. You might take the children from you and cast it down the side. We'll take all root and flourish that the water practice showed. A battle of this country and sweep it to this breast. But I got one that I for her myself a soul blessed. Was it the mother shut for me, how did they and me? They fired from the train for the wearing of the green, for the wearing of the green, for the wearing of the green. They're hanging men and women for the wearing of the green. And if that band of culture they gone from miles high, with some good shame and sorrow from the dear old Bible heart. I hear the whisper of the land that lies beyond the sea, where rich and post and equal in the light of freedom's day. Oh, Ireland must believe it right and I applied his hand, and seek a mother's blessing from the strange and distant land, where the cruel cross of England shall never more be seen, and in that land will even lies the wearing Ireland's green, for the wearing of the green, for the wearing of the green. They're hanging men